BCH, we start with monthly chart, and since the price was here, we have been looking to see the breakout of the 680, the price tag. We get this correction. Now we're looking at this. Okay, that's mean we want to see the breakout of 680. Then we can look for 860 and 1.1k following by our time. This is the resistance we're looking for, and mostly we want to see the breakout of the 680. Okay, this is what we have been looking for, and at this point this is what we're looking at. And if we move to weekly chart, when we get this drop, we come up with the 330 following by 225 as a support, because we mentioned with the breakout of this zone, the price can retest the lowest price, the previous low. And at this point we see the 330 become as a support. Okay, now we want to see whether the price can break 680, because if the breakout of the 680 following by this top, we can look for continuation. If not, then we can expect the price retest or even break the 330. At this point, if we look at the overall market, we're looking for continuation. We are not looking for the reversal. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, but we need to be aware of this point. And if we move to daily chart, since the price was within here, all right, below 401 or 400, we come up with these two lines. We mentioned this is the zone we have to see the breakout of. Then from there we can look for 680. All right, this is not the targets. We want to see how sharp the price can break this zone. Internally we see this correction as a flat. Okay, the best things if we see the DP correction following by next one, but if we don't need to wait for that point, I mean that opportunity. Even at this point, I'm looking at this. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it, but we have to see the breakout of 532 as a sharp move. Okay, what I mean as a sharp move, if we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, because at this point if we want to look for buy, the only option is to put our entry above here. Unless we look for trade based on 5 or 15 minutes, we have to look for the flag. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, we have to see the breakout as a sharp move, similar to what we have here and here. If the price break as a sharp move within the 2 hours, maximum 2 hours, we see there is no continuation, we should take out the trade within 1 or 2 hours, because we guess any similar to what we have here, the price break, then we see this one. That's why if we get any opportunity by having an entry above this one, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. All right, if there is a continuation, then it's good. Move our stop loss to break even and just let it go. At this point, I'm looking at this. Why? Because if we get this a sharp move following by divergence, mostly if the price break as a short move, we will have a divergence. Maybe we will get the next drop. That's why having entry above here can be quite risky because of the divergence. And if anyone wants to look for trade, they should know how to manage it. Anyway, if this one turns to deeper correction, is give us a better opportunity. If the prices start to drop, we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 401 or 400 before we see the next move. That's why buying at this point, we need to be quite careful. Rather than that, we don't see anything else to discuss. And if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And the first target I'm looking to see the breakout of is 680. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.